Assalamu alaikum, Hazur. My name is Sophie Muneza and I'm 20 years old. I also have a question. During this pandemic, some of our mosques are closed, so for us Nomobain, it is hard to keep up an Islamic atmosphere at home, especially when our parents are against the teachings of Islam. So how can we keep up such an atmosphere in which we can grow spiritually?
Do you have iPad, iPhone, internet connection?
Yes.
Computer, TV? So you can attach yourself to the to MTA and then to Jamaat websites, right? Keep in touch with your Ahmadi friends who are very good with regards to their religious knowledge, and talk to them and then share your views and listen to them what they are saying. So this is how you can get benefit during these worst conditions.
Thank you, Jazakallah.